Phil teacher barhakotor yak samas halno rogine mon podung nok ni thengkhalawa thagai barhakotorni banati sabui yak samas halno palaithini manjaki kha hasteni protimantri Biswaketu Debarma boro thangai thansa hano hamjakmani tai dofa tai hodani hamprai samungno tuinai lukurokni buskango nangmani kok saka abo logologi bo barhakotor yak samamanthini ঠিকাদার থলিয়ানো রংন বাহিনো বরম রনানি তাই আবনি বিসিতি কে টেবকরাক হাসতে তাই হাকতর তাই নাইততক বাদ হাকতর সামনা বাগৈ লুগুরনো ককতারকা তে আবন লগলগি जुदा जुदा एलएम गना एनसीसी केडर रंगनो बाहिनो मन्त्री बिस्वकेतु देबरमानि याक्तै बरम बलाइताय सकट बाहिनो याफाजाखा
Respected all dignitaries sitting over here in this independent program, the respected teachers, students, and all senior citizens present in this program, including mothers, sisters, brothers, fathers of this area, my dear students and all citizens of this area, I convey my greetings on the occasion of 78th Independence Day to all of you. We all know the British has entered in the name of East India Company in preview of trade. Gradually, all the emperors and zamindars were pressurized to the engulfed under British rule. Slowly, the British started their inhuman torture upon the people of India. Thereafter, all the valuable products of India like valuable agricultural products, even gems, were exported to their country, that is Great Britain. At this hour, it is not possible to explain the cruel, inhuman torture practiced by British Empire to the citizen of India. During the British era, with the cruel history, books available, every harsh incident can be recalled. The first revolt took place in the year of 1857 by the Mongol Pandey against East India Company. However, Mr. Pandey was sentenced to death, but triggered the ultimate revolt for independence of India. Gradually, the fire of revolt spread all over the country. All-out revolt declared in the country. The immortal revolutionaries like Sri Khudiram Bose, Prafullo Chaki, Binoy Badal Dinesh, Priti Lata, and so many other revolutionaries sacrificed their lives for freedom. Our neighboring state like Assam also taken part in this revolt. The revolutionary like Sri Nabin Chandra Bordoloi, M. Borua, Kanaglata has been active part in the struggle of freedom. The British lost their control over widespread violent revolutionary. In the year of 1919, a big meeting was held at Jallianwala Bagh at Punjab, and during the meeting, the British army suddenly opened fire and killed thousands of innocent citizens of India. Now, all-out revolt taken a furious shape all over India. The Bhagna Revolution, Bongo Revolution, Satyagraha agitation, Dandi March, non-violence, non-cooperation movement, Swadeshi movement, Quit India movement has been started, and the people of India raised slogan, the British quit India. For successful revolution through the movements, true leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Surya Sen, Matangini Hazara, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bipin Chandra Pal, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and also numerous revolutionaries took revolutions in the right manner to achieve the right goal. Finally, under the immense presence of revolutionaries, all India, the British has abided and prepared to leave India, but prior her leaving, they have divided into two countries, that is Pakistan and India. The two different nations was born in the year of 1947. The flag of India independence was unfurled and Lal Killa in New Delhi. We should keep in mind that we have acquired this independence on the sacrifice of millions of revolution from India. Our country contains different languages, different religion, different caste, creed and community of people. But unity in diversity is the basic principle of our country. Today, in this holiday, we should promise that we should be there for each other and for one another. We should make great future, keeping in mind the quality in education, health, electricity, and in every field, so that we can acquire real independence. সবাইকে